Easy tips to help you stop snoring. If you want to know what it takes to get rid of some of the snoring that you do while you sleep, then this video is for you. Use all of the following information in order to change the way you sleep so that no one around you becomes annoyed by unwanted noise. If you or your partner snores, it could ruin your relationship. Everyone needs sleep, and a disturbance in the middle of the night can spoil the other person's sleep. At some point, you may decide to sleep separately. While this doesn't seem particularly romantic, many people do it, and their relationship doesn't suffer at all. Many snorers have found varying levels of relief by purchasing one of the many snore prevention products on the market. There are sprays to moisten the throat and nasal passages which can be effective in some cases. There are also nasal strips which pull the nasal passages open for a better airflow. You may want to think of trying certain treatments specifically made for snoring. They are proven to be effective and may be the only option you have left. There are a wide range of treatments used for snoring, including certain throat sprays, nasal strips, and even oral strips. Believe it or not, you can effectively beat snoring by repeating your vowels a few times a day. What this does is move around muscles in your throat and face, and when these muscles get stronger, your chances of snoring are slim to none. You can do this 3 times a day. As you have now learned from this video, there is a lot you can do to get rid of the snoring you do while you sleep. As long as you learn to do what it takes to get rid of your snoring and apply that information to the best of your ability, you should have no problem getting rid of it. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.